Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Instagram. So if someone block you on Instagram, so how does it look like? So now first thing, you won't find this user in your Instagram app. So if you just write his or her username, you won't find her or his account on in the search tab. So after, you won't receive any notifications if he or she just download just post some photo or just add some story, so you won't be able for seeing story or post. So after, all of your comments on this account page will be deleted and no one will see them. So also, you won't find active status of this user. So, and also you won't have access for writing direct messages to this account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.